Hello everyone, this is Mr. Botros Asad, and today we will talk about adding by partitioning and recombining. We will learn how to add pairs of two-digit numbers and how to add three numbers and each number has two digits, and how to add two-digit number and three-digit number. All this by partitioning and recombining. Let's start by this example. 26 plus 57. The first thing I should do to add this number using partitioning and recombining, we will partition both of them. 26 as 20 plus 6 and 57 as 50 and 7. Now, let's order or group tens together and ones together. So I have here 20 and 50 tens. I will put them together next to each other. And I have here 6 and 7 ones. I will put them together. Now I will start adding these groups of tens together and ones together. As 20 plus 50, I know that 2 plus 5 is 7, so 20 plus 50 is 70. 6 plus 7 is 13. I didn't finish my problem yet. I didn't find the answer. Now I have to recombine these numbers together to see the final answer. Here I have 70 and here I have 10. This one in tens. In the number 13, this one is tens. So I have 70 plus 10 equals 80. And I have 3 more. 80 plus 3 is 83. And this is my final answer. 26 plus 57 is 83. Is equal to 83. 35 plus 82. The first thing to partition both of them as 35 as 30 plus 5 plus 82 as 80 plus 2. Now let's order or group tens together and ones together. 30 plus 80 next to each other plus 5 and 2 next to each other, 5 plus 2. Now let's find the sum of tens, the total of tens together and the total of ones together. 30 plus 80, I know that 8 plus 3 is 11. So 30 plus 80 is 110. And 5 plus 2 is 7. Add these two numbers together. 110 plus 7 is 117. What about adding three two-digit numbers? The main strategy is the same. I will partition all these numbers. 43 as 40 and 3, 62 as 60 and 2, 78 as 70 and 8. Now I will take these tens and I will put them together. 40 plus 60 plus 70. And I will put the ones together. 3 plus 2 plus 8. 3 plus 2 plus 8. Now I will start finding the total of tens and the total of ones. But if I look carefully here, I have here 40 and 60. And I know that 40 and 60 make 100. So this will make my task easier if I look for pairs of 10 or pairs of 100. So 40 plus 60 is 100. And I still have 70. If we look at the ones, I have here 8 and 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. This also will make my task easy. So I will add 3, and 2 plus 8 is 10. Again, I should group the hundreds together, the tens together, and the ones together. So I have 100 plus 70 and 10 will make 80. I added 70 and 10 and give me 80. And I still have 3 ones. The final answer will be the total of this number, or let's recombine these multiples of 1, 10, and 100 together. So 100 plus 80 plus 3 will be 183, and this is my answer. Another example. First, let's partition the three two-digit numbers: 18 as 10 and 8, 50 as 50 and 3, 84 as 80 and 4. Now, let's group tens together. I have the tens here: 10, 50, and 80. I will write 10 plus 50 plus 80. And I have ones here. I have ones here: 4, 3, and 8. So I will write plus 4 plus 3 plus 8. If I look carefully here, I will not find any pairs that make 100 or any pairs that make a 10. So I will add these multiples of 10 together. 10 plus 50 is 60. 60 plus 80 is 140, plus 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Let's reorder this number, because I will add the tens together. So 100, I have only 100, and the tens, 40 and 10 is 50, and the ones, 0 and 5 is 5. So the answer is 155. Now, how can we add a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number using partitioning and recombining? The same strategy. First, I will partition 342, 36 as 30 plus 6. Now I will group multiples of 100 together. I have 300 and no other hundreds, plus I have here 40 and 30. I will write 40 plus 30. Then I have 6 and 2, so I will write plus 6 plus 2. Now I have only 300, and 40 and 30 is 70. 6 and 2, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Let's recombine these multiples of 1, 10, and 100 together to make my answer. So I have 370, and 8 will be 378. 563 plus 82. Let's partition. 563, 82 as 80 plus 2. Let's write the multiples next to each other. I have only 500, plus I have 60 and 80. I will write them next to each other. 60 plus 80. And I have 3 and 2. I will write plus 3 plus 2. I still have 500, plus 60 and 80 is 140. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now I have to put the multiples of each type together. I have here 500 and here I have 100. So it will be 600. I have 40 and no other tens. It will be 40 and I have only 5 ones. This number will be 600 plus 40 plus 5 will be 645. And this is my answer. 795 plus 59. As usual, 795, 59 as 50 and 9. Let's put the multiples next to each other. I have only 700 and I have here 90 and 50. So plus 90 plus 50. And I have here 9 and 5. I will write plus 9 plus 5. Let's group or find the total of multiples together. I still have 700 and 90 plus 50. I know that 9 plus 5 is 14, so 90 plus 50 will be 140 plus 9 plus 5 is 14. I should write these totals in a different way to make it easy for us to find the total. I still have 700 and I have here 100. So this 700 with this 100 will be 800. Let's go to the tens. I have here 40 and here I have 10. Together make 50. Plus I have only here 4 ones. I will write 4. Let's find the answer. 80 plus 50 plus 4. Recombine these multiples. You will get 854. And this was all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.